Welcome back to another section. So in this section, I am going to be showing you my 4 criteria that I apply to my trades on Poloniex or Bittrex. How do I decide what cryptocurrency to buy and what has the most potential for the future? Okay, now the first criteria that I apply is what price do I want to buy at? Okay, so I am going to use an example. So I've already used Digibyte as an example quite a few times. Okay, but I'm going to use it again because Digibyte is one of my favorite cryptocurrencies at the moment. Okay, now Digibyte, as I've already explained, has got something happening in the very near future which is going to make it highly valuable. All right, so I need to decide what is a price I am happy to buy at to make myself, from a psychological point of view, happy. Okay, because having done cryptocurrency trading for a while, what I have come to realize is that it happens that you buy a cryptocurrency at a price you're not happy with. Okay, and what happens is that whether it reduces or dramatically rises, you're not happy with the gains that you'll make from it. Okay, because you could have made those gains if you just waited. So what I now do is I apply a criteria to the starting price. Okay, so for Digibyte, I would not be happy from a long-term perspective at buying at 680. Now, if we have a look, the 24-hour low is 632. That's still too high for me. At its best, it's 796. Okay, now if we just look back, a couple of days ago it went right down to, well, it went down to 0.0000495 was its lowest in the last few days. Okay, that would have been a price I'd be happy with. So I want to buy Digibyte at anything under 500. Okay, now as we get closer and closer towards the deadline, which is essentially in 10 days time. In 10 days time, so if I just show you right now, we've probably gone through this already, but if I just show you Digibyte Minecraft. This is a very transformative update to Digibyte. Okay, so look. Digibyte, so there's even a YouTube video out about it. So as it says here, on Steemit, 12 days ago, it said Digibyte and Minecraft launching in 25 days. Minecraft is one of the biggest games in history. I play it, my son plays it. You know, I know older people than me that play it. It's a huge game. And basically, Update 2 is coming out soon, launching in 25 days, it says here, and this was posted 12 days ago. So it's now in 13 days, there is going to be an update to Minecraft where you can mine Digibyte. Okay, so with that in mind, I know we're getting closer and closer to the time when I have to make a decision. So it's likely that this price won't go down to under 500, and so the goalposts may change over time, and come in a few days time I may be thinking, right, anything below 600 is good for me. Okay, I mean, it takes constant dips and rises, and it does go down as low as I nearly want it, so I just have to play the waiting game. And the reason why I say this is because if I buy now at 677, then when this update comes out, let's say it goes up by 10. So that 6 goes to there. Okay, I will make 10 times the amount I've invested in it, which is awesome. So I would be happy if the 6 was there, if I'd have bought when this was at 4 or 5. Okay, not at 6, because I want to make a lot of money, a lot of return on my cryptocurrency. So this stops me from buying at a ridiculous price, because it's very likely in 12 hours time this price will go right down, in which case I don't want to miss out on that. So I have to decide an entry point that I would be personally happy with, because that makes me happy dealing with it for the long term. Because let's say in 5 days time it was still at 676. Okay, I would be really unhappy about the lack of gain that it had made, and I would be constantly thinking maybe I should sell it and try and buy it again at 500 if the price goes down. And I don't want to be playing that game. So essentially, I want to wait until it's at a price I am happy with. Now, the same can be applied for another cryptocurrency I bought recently, which was Steem. Okay, now a few days ago, Steem was at roughly 54,250. Okay, so at the moment you can see that it's quite well, in my opinion, this is okay. This is an okay kind of price. It's been higher. When I bought it the other day, I wanted to buy it at 48950 or something like that. And I had to wait until it had gotten down to that, which was, yeah, I mean, this is the 23rd. So I bought it the other day at, it was 48. So it was 48950 or something like that. And that was the price I wanted to get at, because now it's not doing very well, but it's still well above what I bought it for. And Steem is one of the reasons why my overall balance is high, because it's much higher at than the price I bought it at. And so it brings everything else up. Okay, so I decided, because the price was at this, that I wanted to wait until it got below 50,000, and it was at 48. It was under 49. So therefore I bought, and I am happy, because whatever it makes now, I'm happy with the gains. So decide your starting price so that you are psychologically happy with what you're about to buy. So I hope that that's helped, and I will let you into Secret 2 or Criteria 2 in the next lecture.